swirl into stories, sweet and wise, with jalebi songs and big bright eyes. From temples to trees, from kings and tales, we welcome you to the Jalebi Tales, the Jalebi Tales, the Jalebi Tales, the Jalebi Tales. As the nights grow cooler and the stars twinkle a little brighter, something magical begins to happen across India. Doorways start to glow with rows of diyas. Colorful rangolis bloom on the floor, and the smell of sweets fills the air. It's time to welcome the festival of lights, Diwali. Diwali is not just one story, it's a festival full of stories, colors, lights and love. Yay! Mama, I love Diwali. Me too. Let's start decorating. Let's travel through time and places to discover all the beautiful reasons why Diwali is celebrated. In Arin and Anvi's house, they are busy. Let's see what's happening. Mama, why are we cleaning? We clean and decorate our homes to welcome the festival with a fresh start. Okay, I'll help dust the shelves and I'll put the marigold garlands. One of the oldest legends of Diwali comes from the story of Rama. After 14 long years in exile and the defeat of Ravana, Rama returned home to Ayodhya with Sita and Lakshmana. The people lit thousands of diyas or lamps to welcome them and celebrate the return of good over evil. That's why we light diyas, to fill the world with light and love. In South India, another legend is remembered, the story of Krishna and Satyabhama. Together, they defeated the terrible demon Narakasura, bringing on end to darkness and fear. People celebrated by taking oil baths at dawn, often said to be a bath in the holy river Ganges. They burst crackers, wearing new clothes and sharing sweets. 2 days before Diwali comes Dhanteras, the festival of health and wealth. On this day, people remember Dhanvantari, the divine healer who emerged with the nectar of immortality. In Tamil Nadu, families prepare marindu, a traditional herbal medicine, and share it for good health. There's also a sparkling story. Long ago, a clever princess saved her husband's life by placing piles of shining gold and jewelry at their doorway. When Yama, the god of death, came, he was dazzled and left them unharmed. And so, buying gold on Dhanteras is believed to bring good fortune and protection. On Diwali night, families welcome Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, into their homes. Diyas light the doorways, rangolis decorate the floors, and everyone prays together for blessings of joy, peace, and abundance. But Diwali isn't just one story. It's a festival of many faiths and meanings. Jains celebrate the nirvana of Mahavira, lighting lamps to symbolize his eternal light. Sikhs remember the release of Guru Har Gobind from prison, known as Bandi Chhod Divas, a symbol of freedom and justice. The Newar Buddhists in Nepal celebrate Tihar, honoring Lakshmi and the bond between humans and animals, lighting lamps to spread love. This is also considered to be the day when Emperor Ashoka took to Buddhism, and this is symbolized on Diwali Day as a celebration. Diwali is a festival of light, and light shines brightest when it is shared. Whether it is Rama's return, Krishna's victory, Dhanvantari's healing, Lakshmi's blessings, or the celebrations of Jains, Sikhs and Buddhists, every diya tells a story. So let's fill our hearts with light. I light the diya, I'll draw the rangoli, and together we'll celebrate love and togetherness. A very happy Diwali to you from Jalebi Tales.
दे जलते हैं मन के कोने, प्रकाश छुआ अंधेरों को, मिट्टी के दिए प्यार के होने। दिवाली की रोशनी है छाई, हर दिल में खुशी है समय दिवाली। दिवाली दिवाली है आई।
रंगोली के रंग मुस्कान लाए, माँ लक्ष्मी के चरण सजाए, मंगल गुणगान घर भर माए।
दिवाली की रोशनी है छाई, हर दिल में खुशी है समय दिवाली।